video is for educational and informational purposes only, not financial advice. Trading carries risk and past results do not guarantee future performance. Viewer trade at their own risk. Welcome to PD Binary Trades. Today's video covers a full set of binary trades, giving clear insights on performance and strategy. Stay with us for the complete breakdown of all 5 trades. First trade of the morning session was on Euro USD, OTC with a sell direction. The trade started at 10:20 am and closed at MTG1 win. And recovered previous trade loss and booked a profit of 1000 rupees. Second trade of the morning session was on Euro USD, OTC with a buy direction. The trade started at 10:45 am and closed at MTG2 win and recovered previous trade losses and booked a profit of 1000 rupees. Third trade of the morning session was on Euro USD, OTC with a buy direction. The trade started at 11:05 am and closed at step 1 win and booked a profit of 1035 rupees. Fourth trade of the morning session was on Euro USD, OTC with a sell direction. The trade started at 12:30 pm and closed at MTG1 win, recovering previous trade losses and booking a profit of 1025 rupees. Fifth trade of the morning session was on Euro USD, OTC with a buy direction. The trade started at 1 pm and closed at step 1. Booking a profit of 1125 rupees. Sunday, the 14th of September 2025. Summary. Morning session. 5 trades on Euro USD, OTC. With a win rate 100%. Profit of 5286 rupees. Total profit booked for the day was 5286 rupees with a win rate of 100%. This shows how PD binary trade signals deliver strong, consistent results and steady growth. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.